Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to USAA. So first of all, you need to open up Venmo app on your mobile device. And then from the home screen, tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on this screen, you need to head over to the wallet section and then tap on the add bank/card option. A pop-up will come up. Simply tap on the bank option. Next, it'll ask you to select whether you want to instantly verify your bank account or manually. For this instance, I'll go with the instant bank verification option. So tap next. Then it's going to tell us that Venmo uses Plaid to connect our account. So what we need to do is click on Continue at the bottom of the screen. From here, you're going to scroll through the list until you find your bank. But if you don't see USAA over here, then you just have to search for it manually in the search bar at the top. Once you select USAA, you'll be taken to this login page. Over here, all you need to do is log into your USAA account using your username and password, as you would normally do, and then click on where it says Submit. It'll then prompt you to verify your identity through your registered email or phone number. And once you're done with the verification process, you can see your USAA account listed right over here. Make sure that your desired account is selected, and then hit Continue at the bottom. Now that your account has been successfully linked to Venmo, tap Continue to head back to your Venmo profile section. From here, tap on this Manage button under the Wallet section right over here. A pop-up will come up. From here, simply tap on this Transfer to Bank option. It'll take you to this screen. Over here, you need to first click on this icon, and then enter in the amount you want to transfer from Venmo to USAA. It'll then ask you to choose the withdrawal speed. On opting for this standard option, you will not be charged any fee. But if you go with the instant option, it'll charge a minimal fee for the withdrawal. For this instance, I'll go with the standard option, and then hit transfer at the bottom of the screen, and you're done. Well, that's how you transfer money from Venmo to USAA. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.